So I've tried to start eating a little healthier and I needed some help. So I was looking for a cookbook and I got the Ketogenic Cookbook. This is by Maria Emmerich. I have followed her online and I just love that everything about what she does is simple, but she also tries to take well, she doesn't try. She takes healthy food and shows you how to cook it in ways that, are still kind of similar to foods that we like. But I like too that you can see she always shows like a big realistic picture of the food. And then, the recipe is here. It shows you like the prep time, how long it takes. And then also like if it's like gluten-free, soy-free or whatever, it shows whatever else about it it shows. Also in the middle, let me see if I can find it. And it has it by category too, like, for dessert, your encore breakfast or whatever. But here, this is like, let me see if I can show you, like breakfast, snacks, side dishes, lunch, dinners. And it gives you just like a quick guide, like if you're trying to put something together, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it just gives you different ideas. And then you can like, of course, mix and match them or whatever you want to do. But like I said, all the pictures are nice and big and realistic, which I really like. You can tell I bookmarked my favorite ones. So I just thought if you're trying to look for some healthy recipes and get healthy like me, I really like this book and I just say give it a try and see what you think.